Dun, 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 dun. You're a mean one, Mr. Snack.
So mean!
You really are a man.
You're a human!
You're as cuddly as a monkey. You're as charming as a fan, Mr. Snack. You're a meanie, Mr. Snack.
Mr. Snack!
You steal the mice's cheese, and they're blind, so that's abusive, and you shouldn't be seductive, Mr. Snack. You are hairy, Mr. Snack.
So hairy!
You really need to die.
Yes, you do!
Your brain is full of crackers, and your elf is on your shelf, Mr. Snack. You're a barber, Mr. Snack. You take and you eat their hair.
So juicy!
That's not fair, Mr. Snack. You shouldn't take their hair,
that is
Mr. Snack. You eat berries, Mr. Snack.
Snack, so good!
Your drumming skills are bad. You say you have a cow, and that makes people really sad, Mr. Snack. You're a father, Mr. Snack. Your kids are made of bricks. Your TV is made of hamsters, and your walrus is a shirt, Mr. Snack.